I am back in South Dakota. We are going to go see Mount Rushmore, Crazy Horse, and possibly Wind Cave. Here we are at the Hampton Inn by Hilton in Rapid City. It's one of the closer hotels to Mount Rushmore that's not in the national park. So I will show you around the hotel and we'll start at the front. Okay guys, here we are. Room 454. And you walk in and you have your bathroom to the right. Nice big mirror, single sink, some shelving, and a hairdryer. There's the commode, and here's the shower, and there are the products. And this is a connecting room. And you have hangers. And you got your door with your full-length mirror. And you slide it open. There's your closet with an ironing board. You got your main part of the room. Dads, here you go. This is a 2-queen bedroom. You have a little place over here for shoes and luggage or whatnot, and a little drawer. The side of the TV. Oh, can we see that? There we go. Side of the TV has 2 USBs and 2 outlets. Focus. There it goes. And there's the TV. In the TV center, it's got microwave and coffee. And it's got your refrigerator. Dr. Pepper not included. And 3 drawers. I'm not going to open them all, but I'll just open one. Voila, just empty one. And there's your ice bucket and your working desk, chair, the AC. And then over here at the bedside tables, you got 2 lamps, on off, your phone, and more charging. So pretty standard for a Hampton Inn. And yeah, okay folks, that's all she wrote. Of the room, I will probably take tour of the main part of the hotel, and I could show you outside. Our view isn't the best, but here she is. So this is connected to True by Hilton. If you stay in the True, it's a little cheaper. But they actually, if you're a point, or if you like to earn points, you actually earn less points with the True and the Spark Home 2 suites. You earn less points. Okay. One final view of the room. Pretty standard so far, looks pretty clean. We'll see how it goes. Okay, here we are in the breakfast area. It's got a TV up there. And they have power solutions at the tables. Down there also. Big table. Power solutions. Another big table. And here's the lobby. And it's got a little shop area.
Yes.
And let's see here. They have ice machine, water machine, the gym, and the pool area. It's right in there. It's got a big slide. I don't want to go in there. There's kids in there swimming. But you can also get to the pool area on this side. It's got a nice little outdoor seating area. And got a nice little pool. There's the steps to the slide. And then the slide goes all the way outside. You can't see it though from here unless I go outside. And I don't want to go outside. And that's the breakfast area. You know what? You can see the pool slide from this door, from this area. Here's the pool slide. And then there's your breakfast. And other than empty hallways, and you got bathrooms, water, ATM. And you come down this hallway. Here's one set of elevator bay doors, elevator. And then you have the way to the true lobby. All right. And there's the true side and the Hampton inside. And here we are, room 454. Okay guys, we're in the pool. There's Sophie.
It's salty.
Yeah. We're gonna go down the slide. That's how I'm getting it. That's what's gonna force me to get in the water.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. It's a true water slide, Sophie.
So you have to be 48 inches tall and less than 300 pounds.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, that's just in case you're
Okay. Okay. It's good. Yeah. Did not mean that.
It's a lot more twisty than I thought.
I know, it really.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm a little scared.
It's dark.
Oh, even better.
Yeah, it's dark.
Can't tell where you're at.
Yeah.
Wow.
So sweet.
Okay, guys, I'm going to video this with the lights on.